Cool. What are you boys eating tonight? What's for dinner? What's for dinner, lads? We're eating healthy, so we're trying to. We have our cauliflower, of course, bought a small one. Some red onion. Bit of garlic, boys. Let's get like four bits here, I reckon. I eat potatoes with salmon. Ooh, that sounds good, man. That sounds good. I would not mind. A fresh cilantro to top it off, of course, as well. Let's go, man. We love this. Hell yes, I do, dude. Hell yeah, my brother. I have a bussin' baguette. Okay, baguette is bussing, but what else? What else are you having it with, dude? Our cleaver, of course, quintessential part of cooking. So what I've done as well today, boys, right, is I've turned off the noise suppression for now, but whenever the vent is going to come on, we're going to turn it back up. Salmon is great with some creme fraiche and then put it in the oven. Dude, I love salmon. I do love it, but it's quite pricey. That's the problem. Oh. At least here in Spain, dude. And probably it's still cheaper, bro. Fuck off. And it's probably still cheaper than in a lot of other places, so... Alright, let's see what else we need. Right, yeah, so for the spices as well, we have some homemade Spanish seasoning blend that I've made a while back. Some MSG, which some people are not a fan of, monosodium glutamine. It does have the flavour though, it does get that meaty stuff. I think we need cumin as well. Ground cumin, yeah. Which we actually don't have here, but we do have some chicken broth and yeah, that's fine. And tomato paste, which is all over here. Got some tomato paste from M&S. And chicken broth, that's fine. Cool. So in regards to cumin, it's actually seasoning blend. Bro, that's what it is, man. It's kind of expensive, true, but I think it's cheaper here. How much do you pay for salmon, roughly? I had baguette with ham, a bit of mayo, egg, lettuce, few pickles, and Gouda cheese. Yo, pickles, by the way, goated shit. I feel like pickles are kind of similar level to mushrooms. Like a lot of people love or hate it. But dude, I don't know, man. I'm all about that life. And we're also going to have this mysterious device here, which some of you may or may not have seen in the past. It's called, I don't know what's it called exactly. It also very fucking annoyingly has this plastic part missing. So now it sounds like some fucking baby toy or some shit like that. But anyways, basically it's a slicer, right? So you have this kind of barrel drum, I don't know, and these couple of blades here. So you place it inside, you put the thing on top, and then you rev up the Bugatti, boys. Basically it slices it up. So we're going to be using that for the broccoli. And by broccoli I mean cauliflower, of course. So it's called an onion fuck upper. That's the one, but we're not going to be using it for onions today. Sweet and sour are goated. Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. You don't like regular pickles? Dude, I like the ones with like anchovy taste to them or whatever the fuck. I don't know. I'm a big fan, man. I'm a big fan, what can I say? Anyways, boys, so what we're going to have to do now really quickly before we start this good stuff is we're going to need to get some ground cumin because it's a quintessential part of the recipe. Right? Yeah, and it's I need to go to the other apartment to get it, unfortunately. But it's as they say, it is what it is, right? Meanwhile, so chicken broth, because we need such a little amount, I'm just literally gonna take some like a chicken stock cube parts and make some quick broth. Honestly, not a fan of this one because it's super sticky. I prefer the dry ones because they dissolve a lot faster, but I think this one is a bit more flavoursome. So that's the trade-off. Yeah, we don't need a lot, to be honest, just a cup worth. And this cup is fucking hot because it's metal, so that's also something I should have predicted, I reckon. Let's get that shit brewing. Anyways, boys, so I'm going to put the chicken in the fridge because I guarantee you what's going to happen. The minute I leave the fucking house, this motherfucking cat is going to be on the everywhere. So I'm just going to quickly grab the cumin and I'll be back in 30 seconds. Anyway, the Cuban cigar. I'm not even sure what you meant there. Cat in a waiting mode. Was he by the door or what? Just sitting there, top lad. I mean, I'm surprised that he didn't go for the jump on the counter. I gotta say. So yeah, I reckon we'll just get some garlic cleared. I usually like to prepare the veggies first. Sort of get it all cleared out, sorted out, and then go into the whole cooking part anyway. Anyway, so did you say about the price of salmon in Finland? And honestly, I actually don't know, generally speaking, how expensive Finland is compared to the likes of Norway and Sweden and Denmark, because I do know that it's quite pricey there. This is like a movie? What part of it, mate? I just got to remember to slap on the noise suppression when the vent comes on because, boys, it's going to be loud. The downside, of course, is the fact that you'll hear me in worse quality, but at least you won't be hearing the vents, so there's that. 1k of Norway salmon is like 30 euros. 1k is 30 euros. That's expensive as fuck, dude. That is really pricey. What the fuck do we pay here? I think for about 400 grams, maybe 500 grams. Actually, it's quite similarly priced, to be honest. Even though we're a lot further, but we do get salmon from Norway here, so. Yeah. I'm gonna slice up the garlic a little, not too much. Don't want it too small. That's fine. Yeah, the onion as well. And the Finnish salmon is even more expensive, but you can go fishing for it yourself. Don't you need like licenses and permits and stuff like that for it? rainbow trout or whatever it is in English. Dude, wouldn't even know, man. Wouldn't even know, bro. The way I tend to cut onion is basically cut, but not all the way until the end. That way it's much easier to get thinner slices. So basically cut until around here. And then that way you just come down on it and it comes up in a little bit like that, innit? Not bad, boys. Kitty, you do not want onion. Right, perfect. So that's nice and easy. And to be honest, from slicing, I guess there's actually not that much left. I guess there's the cauliflower, but as we do have this sick device that I was showing you earlier, some is like 30-40 a kilo in Sweden. Depends if I buy a whole fillet or not. You need license, but I do a lot of fishing in summers. That's fair. Is it hard to get licensed, or is it just literally you pay for it and that's it? Dangerous game chopping onions with a cleaver? Dude, okay, knock on wood. Had this cleaver for 3-4 years and I've cut myself once, dude. Okay, overstatement, not 3-4 years, but I mean, at least 2.5. Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll take this. I've never cut myself, what the fuck? I mean, it's not too unusual, I guess. It happens, but yeah. But I'm just going to break this a little bit so this machine, this device of magic has a slightly easier time at it. It's quite a small cauliflower, actually. Look at that fucking tree, boys. I really like cauli, man. I don't know. I really do. Big fan. I know that veggies in general is not for everyone, but dude, shit. I love that shit, man. Yeah, we don't want to overfill it as well, to be honest. Because these blades are magical, but they're not fucking that... they're not that magical. Last summer we did 16-hour fishing trip with a boat. That sounds sick, dude. I went fishing once in Mexico, and that was so fun, dude. The fish was massive. So, boys, here we go. It's going to be a bit loud, I'm going to be honest. But look at this cauliflower. All nice and... yeah, untouched, really. And after a couple of chainsaw yanks, we can actually put a bit more. Get a little compact. After a couple of chainsaw yanks, it's going to become lovely rice. That's it. Oh, Stream Elements is working, boys. Can someone type in chat, like, I don't know, !room or whichever command? Is that light bulb secured? Well, I've taken it out, so... Room, and now it's working. Of course, dude. Fuck's sakes. But hey, I guess better late than never, boys, right? So, there's that. And actually, what I'm going to do before this magic process as well is I'm gonna start heating up the stove here as well for the chicken. Slap a little bit of oil and get that shit up to temps. Fucking tune up as well. 7.5, perfect. I hate washing a pan. Yeah, man, because you can't dishwash it as well, bro. That's the unfortunate part of life. So yeah. Anyways, boys, magic weapon from a company called Fistlet. Not sponsored, but I will take the sponsorship if it comes around. We should probably put it down, to be honest. And let it rip, lads. Yeah, I overfilled it a little. Could use a little more, but not too much because I don't want it soggy. Alright, what's this, boys? It's cauliflower rice, of course. Look at that. Okay, some pieces are a little big, but overall pretty good. Hey? Fucking clapped it, lads. I used to hate washing pants. I got a scrub daddy and it changed my life. I don't know. What are you on about, my brother? No idea, brother. So yeah, boys, that's the cauliflower rice. Some pieces are a little big, but that's life. Can't get it perfect. We do kind of want at least another bit of this though, because we are making 2 portions. So actually, I'm just going to use my meal prep box. Sebi, you're so curious. Do you want to say hi? Hello, boys. There they are. Oh. Hello. There he is. Right, anyway. So yeah, so we got the rice here. Let's dump it into a meal prep container, otherwise known as Tupperware. Yeah, so you see towards the end, they're a bit more done up. A little smaller. So let's load that shit up again. Look at this adorable malicious stare. Malicious is what it is, my brother. What is the evil dids in the... Yeah, well, dude, that guy's crazy, man, honestly. Yeah, we'll probably need... I'm not gonna lie, we'll probably need the same amount of collie here. Scrub daddy? Like, what the fuck is that? I kind of missed. I missed the explanation. What the fuck is a scrub daddy? By the way, Malachi, you asked the other day, what kind of music do I usually listen to? This is an example of the music I would listen to. Some drum and bass, my guy. But not that many people enjoy it, man. What can I say? Shame, really. Is a very high quality sponge. Is that what it's actually called? Because I mean, that sounds a bit sus. DNB is good. I love Fox Stevenson. Fox Stevenson, absolute top G, man. Top Stevenson is Top Stevenson. Fox Stevenson's the favorite artist of DX Ralph. Oh yeah, boys, this is not broken down enough. Or did I go too greedy? Let's give it a magic shake and hope for the best. There we go. Let that shit rip, boys! One more for good measure. Should not have let it go because that kind of hurt a little. Yeah, we should be good with that, to be honest. No, it's gonna need one more. That's giga loud. Hell yeah, brother. My Asian parent is calling me to take a shower. BRB, cook slower than I can watch. I'll try my best, sir. Alright, cool. So we now have a a whole lot of cauliflower that's been grated, I guess, or whatever the fuck is the expression here. And by the way, for all these who might be wondering, I don't know if you can see, but there's a oven tray kind of over the sink, and that is of course because due to this lovely black devil at home, because he loves to get into the sink and start eating fucking whatever, dude. I don't know what even's in it. So that's why that's here. This little grill thing. Anyways, French cool. What the hell is French cool? Oh, Sebi, sorry, mates. Cool, that's that for that. That's pretty much not going to be needed. This stuff is garbo. Alright, so it looks pretty fucking hot, even a little too hot. Let me just leave it here for a second. And I'm going to have to tuck on some noise suppression, boys. Because otherwise you'll find out what definition of loud is. Actually, I will need the knife still. I forgot about the cilantro. 250 BPM. That's rapid. Let's take it down to 6.5. Okay, I'll turn on the noise suppression. It's on. All right, so it should be on. Should be on. Hopefully, I really hope so. Let me know, boys, if it's on. If you can hear the vents. Yep. Yep. So we'll need that. This. All right, boys, so that's our chicken in. Tap that shit up. Anti-splash. Is that okay, boys? Is the vent being covered? As is the sizzling or not? Let me know. Primarily when I don't speak, though, because when I do, it will be bigger. So we'll be doing the chicken first, as I usually do. And then we'll take care of the rice. That's the plan, boys. That chunk is a bit too big. Coming along nicely. Probably about a minute more before we do a Filippuccino. Wait, so what genre of music are you guys talking about? What's that? Wrench core. Never heard of that in my life, dude. Never heard of it in my life, dude. Boys, we give that shit a flip. Get it nice and browned up. Bro, that's kind of looking like a lot of rice. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah. I'll just probably quickly chop up some cilantro. Honestly, a lot of people that chuck cilantro. By the way, boys, I know that this is also controversial, but a lot of people fucking hate cilantro. I don't know what the deal with that is, but not in this household, man. So that's pretty much that. Isn't it a gene? Tastes like soap for some. What about you, babe? Do you like it? Not a fan? I don't know. Uh, yeah. So we'll probably just put the chicken right on the plate because it's kind of yeah done. I'll just give it like a 30 seconds more to cook through, and then it should be gooch. Yeah, I don't mind it. Dude, I don't know, man. Like a fresh cilantro is fucking good, man. It's fucking good. So anyway, whenever the chicken is done now, oh yeah, whenever the chicken is done, we'll start with our vegetarian stuff. Start with a bit of onion, add a bit of garlic into it, make sure it's sizzling, and then the trick is to you take a bit of chicken broth and put it in, let it boil out slightly, and that's where you add the cauliflower rice. So that's the plan. It's clean dish. Well, and of course the spices. Chicken's good, boys. What? Are we doing for stuff here? That's actually okay. A man's looking like NFL quarterback from that angle. What angle is that? I could land a spaceship on those shoulders. What angle was that? I don't even know. I did actually do a bit of shoulders today in the gym, so thanks for the confidence boost, homie. All right, boys, so the onion's going on. Turn it down a tad. Our chicken is looking juicy, very juicy. Chicken tenders. Probably my favorite type of chicken. Maybe thighs, actually, very flavoursome as well. Pico de Gallo is so fucking good. Bro, I agree, man. Only fans when? Not much to see. Wow. That is not true, man. There's quite a lot of me right now. Could have a little bit more oil, man. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, the thing is, OnlyFans is such a scam. Like, I don't understand how are people paying for it, knowing well enough that it's all available online for free, man. When you look to the sink and get really close to the camera, I see. Well, yeah, that's fair. Just go to Reddit. Literally, dude. Literally go to Reddit. It's all there, all for free. Don't have to pay. Nothing like that. All right, garlic's ready to go in, boys. Oh God, is that dubstep I'm hearing? What the fuck is playing? Oh no, it's not. Or is that? I can't even fucking tell, man. Yeah, you're down bad if you pay for OnlyFans. Yeah, man, you are. Unless you really want to support the creator or fucking whatever, or you want to chat to them. But dude, who do you think you are, man? Who do you think you are to talk to them? What? Well, what do you expect for them to fucking like you all of a sudden? People say this because it feels personal, bro. I don't give a fuck, man. I don't know. I really don't get that mindset, man. But hey, especially paying for sexting someone. Yeah, but it's not only that, right? But like, okay, I guess people are into different things as well, right? But like, you know that she's chatting to like 20 million other people as well. Like, who, what the fuck, dude, you know? Would be easier and free to just talk to a woman. Well, I guess that is harder though. Like, otherwise, if you have money, okay, cool, you know, pay it and she's going to talk to you, right? So, but dude, fucking hell, I was watching this case, I think from last year, where a dude, a gamer, of course, Twitch viewer, shot up his entire family and spent 250 grand on an OnlyFans model. So, how about that one, dude? Yo, AJ, what's your grinder? Don't have one yet, dude. When I say yet, I mean, geez, I'm not that desperate for money, man. All right, cool. The stuff is looking cooked here. So what we're gonna do now is we've got some chicken broth here, right? And then we're gonna add it in a little bit over here. Not much, it's probably 50 mil or so. So that gets boiled out a little bit, and then you add the rice. Just a tiny bit. So that way also the broccoli gets a little bit softer, but it's very marginal. Very marginal. We'll go do it then. No. Grinder is free sex, basically. Isn't Tinder? Start career as a porn star, easy money. Yeah, dude. What's my? I mean, okay, but what's my porn star name, guys? All right, this is looking prime time to add the rice, boys. Prime time. Dude, this is a lot of fucking rice, man. I'm gonna be honest. There's really, it's quite a lot. AGZ, the porn star name. Yeah, but bro, you gotta be more creative with that stuff, you know. All right, boys. The rice is in. That's why we're going to mix it up with that garlic and onion, so that shit doesn't burn on the bottom. There we go. And this stuff, I mean, I guess I can give it a super quick rinse. I don't know. So when you're done, hey, right? You need to create. Yeah, exactly. You need to have a creative name, bro. AJ the Barbarian, dude. So when are you doing Coke and Hooker stream? Bro, whenever I switch to kick, man. Farnacious Windred the Fifth Dint. Brilliant. I'll need to shave my head though. Okay, cool. Dirk Anton. That's the one, dude. Let's just double check with the recipe still. I think it's also time to add a little bit of spices and all that business. Yes, sir. So salt, pepper, which actually we haven't got out. We've got salt, pepper, cumin, MSG, and dry cilantro. Don't think so, mate. I'm gonna have a fresh one. Anyways, yeah, that's fine. So let's do that. Not too much of salt because MSG is quite salty as well, but I will keep it out. Let's do the other shit first. Plenty of pepper, me boys. Ground cumin. Delicioso. Oh yeah, and some Spanish blend, of course. Not too much. MSG, yeah, that shit kind of needs to be a little careful because I don't want to fucking overcook that shit, boys. Excellent evening, lads. I'm off. Vilya, take care, my brother. Enjoy your fasting. Mix in those spices, lads. Cool. We shorten Anton and use it as a surname. Packing Atom is your new name. Yeah, but it's a bit too close to a bit too close to home. I don't want the people jerking off to dox me, man. Dirk Anton, I kind of do like that one, but once again, exposing your real name. I'm sure Johnny Sins is not. Actually, someone check out if Johnny Sins' real name is Johnny or John. All right, boys, we're actually getting pretty close to completion. What we do add now is a bit of tomato puree paste. I don't want it too much because it is quite intense, so we'll add half a tablespoon. But it's probably going to be a bit more, but Stephen, whoa, exactly. You see, completely different vibe. No one's going to ever find him. And that's kind of what I'm looking for. Not that I don't want to embrace my porn star personality, but I don't know. It's a certain vibe. Bro, this shit is so annoying. Cool. All right, boys, we're almost done. The Russian diamond, dude. Holy fuck, let's go. I like the sound of it, man. I kind of like the sound of it, man. Oh, dude, I don't have enough space. Whoa. Next space. All right, so we're pretty much. I think we're pretty much Gucci with that shit right here. Let's give it a taste. The Russian and said you. I don't get the reference. I'm sorry, man. The Russian gold. Bro, platinum. It just hit me, man. My guy, I'm flat, bro. Yeah, that shit's tasting good, but it does need a bit of. It does need a bit more salt. All right, it's pretty much done. Just gonna add some of this fresh cilantro, of course. Actually, what I kind of like to do is I like to add half and then half to top it off. And this for the end. I'm actually also gonna probably slice up the chicken a little as well. Oh god, is that Eurobeats? Pronounce it. Pronounce said like side. Russian and said you. Oh fuck. Okay, I got you. I got you. I got you. How's it going? It's going great, bro. It's going great. Yeah, porn star names. Open for suggestions, bro. How's your shower, man? Right, so let's go ahead and slice up that chicken, see how it is on the inside. I'm actually gonna go turn off the noise suppression. Giddy. Brilliant. Now your shirt is blue. Yeah, probably in this as well, right? Or maybe actually it looks less so. Because I feel like the Zeman part of it is like already pretty. Oh, why am I washing that? For fuck's sake, it's already pretty like that's sorted, right? So it's mostly just yeah, the first name, I guess. Let's try it out as well. Actually, put that shit right here. Z-Man is pretty good and catchy. Well, that's the thing, right? So, I don't know, man. I might have to change that at some point in the future, man. Like the whole fucking Z-Man squad, bro. It's kind of Monka-esque, but I don't know. And by the way, I didn't pick it. It was a viewer suggestion, just so you know. Just so you know. How am I to decline such a suggestion, though? Wonderful name. Yo, William, how's it going, mate? How much chicken you want? Mate, it's meal prep, bro. It's probably good for 2-3 portions at least. What, do you think I'm gonna fucking eat the entirety of that, bro? And yeah, protein, bro. You gotta get packing, boys. Not even, you're not eating it all in one. Yeah, dude, I'm eating everything, bro. The entirety of my fridge, man. All of it, bro. Maximum Zeman. Alright, boys, so we're pretty much done here. Just need a good mixuccino of chicken and rice. I gotta say, this dish, it doesn't have the aesthetics, I'll be honest, but it's good, man. Alright, perfect. And we do have a bit of this stuff, which is actually chicken juice. It'll do fine. Maximum Zeman. I did quite like that one, you know. I did actually quite dig that one. He's growing up, he has to eat. That's it, man. That is it. So let's try to get about half. I mean, bro, I did a monster workout today in the gym, dude. I gotta say. Like, I was fucking dead after, bro. Yeah, now that I'm actually taking it out in a plate, I'm gonna tell you right away, this shit ain't have the aesthetics. Like, I'll be honest, but it is nice, man. It is nice, and it's low carb, which is what we were looking for, right? So that. Let's see if I can maybe manage without spilling. So far, so good. Yep, okay. Kind of fucked a little bit in the end, but. I love the Alfa Romeo livery. Yeah, man. But that Russian bit was good too. Oh shit. Yo, we have White Hawk with 3 Raiders, man. Thank you very much, mister. Or, yeah, thank you. I appreciate that, dude. You're just in time for us to finish our dish, man, but it's, yeah, it's, how's it going, White Hawk? What did you play? How was your stream, dude? Oh god, I'm honestly borderline. Oh shit, it's not looking phenomenal, but you know, it's healthy, so yeah, boys. We've got this over here, lads. Spanish cauliflower rice with chicken, packed with protein, minimize carbs, maximize nutrition and taste. So yeah.